Sorry, I will throw this away. And actually I gave once before this as a gift to my friend. I think my friend hates me. Hello everyone, in this video I will show you the unboxing of the Blissim advent calendar. I think normally it costs 75 or 79 euro, and I calculated the value of the products and it's 175 euro, so more than 2 times as much. Originally you see all the boxes with the bright side and front, but every time I open the box I turn it around so that I'm not confused which box are not opened yet. I have opened one box every day, and this calendar has a big variety of products. I think I like this advent calendar. It's a pretty good advent calendar. Let's jump to the products. First product, we got nail polisher from Nailmatique in the color of Yale. It's a bronze, dark bronze color. I don't know if it fits everyone. It's a pretty original color. I'm not sure if I will use it, but for this small bottle you will pay 9 euro normally. Good start. Next one, we got a lip mask from Vita Mask. This one you should put on your lips for 10-15 minutes and then take it off, and it should have a very refreshing effect. In this small package you have only one mask, of course. Next one was a very expensive product. It's 15 euro for eyeshadow, and this is eyeshadow from Floss, and it's in a color of Tokyo. I think if you're in the need of an eyeshadow, it would be a nice color for every day. Next one, we have a body cream from Bahija Paris with a smell of caramelized honey, and I can tell you, even through the fall it smells with caramel. Yes, it has a very sweet smell. This cream promises to be very gentle and smoothing for your skin, and the full-size product is 3 times as big and costs about 15 euro. Product number 5 from Rocher-Posay Paris is a hyaluronic serum with vitamin 5. This is a concentrate and it has anti-wrinkle effect, and the full-size product is 3 times as big and it costs more than 30 euros. So this small bottle, it costs 10 euros. Next accessory is from Birchbox itself, and Birchbox, I think it's a mother company of Blissim Box, and this is the eyelash curler, a very useful thing, and I already have one of these and it works pretty good. Then we get a very small sample from Love Beauty and Planet toothpaste, and this is a detox whitening toothpaste. It's with charcoal, so it's black, and I've already tried it. See, it's very black. It has a strong minty feeling, which is good. Then we get a sample size Evercome Global Protection Day Cream from Ren. This day cream is for sensitive skin, and the next box we received a day cream from Imperfect, and this one is a moisturizer for all types of skin, so they claim it's unique, and this one is made in France and has a very cute package. Product number 10 from Amica, and it's soul food for your hair, and it's nourishing mask. This is a very small sample size. Full size is maybe 10 times as big. You massage this mask into wet clean hair and leave it there for 5-7 minutes. This one has a nourishing light effect, so it doesn't make your roots or hair fat, so you shouldn't be scared to put it even on the roots of your hair because it doesn't make your hair fat. And we move further and we have a soap from Olivos. This is chia and avocado olive oil soap. It smells okay. This one should be used as a normal soap for your hands, to wash your body, etc. This one is 15 times smaller than the full size. And then we get a body scrub sample size from Aqua Hero. Let's smell it actually immediately. They say it should be a hero for your skin. It's really scrubby. I'd say it's some kind of rough scrub. I don't like the smell. I almost don't feel any smell. And then we get a small sample from Apicha, and this one is a hand cream with honey and propolis. Actually, this one I've already used. It has delicious honey smell. It's quickly absorbed in your hands and they are soft after. Next one, we got a famous Moroccan oil, and this is multifunctional oil for your hair. It nourishes your hair, makes it shine, and it smells divine. I don't know if you've noticed, but this one was a sponsor for Eurovision 2021. In the box number 15 we got the hair elastics from Rolling Hills. We got 5 small ones, and these ones you can get in the store in 25 different colors. I especially like them because they don't leave any traces, so if you untie your hair you don't see that thick line that your hair was tied before. That's why I like them. Ladies and gentlemen, this mini sample size of Deep Sleep pillow spray from This Works has a very strong smell and I really don't like it. Once I sprayed it on my pillow, maybe it was okay, but the next day it was stinking. My pillow was stinking. Oh, it has such a strong smell and it gets so much worse the second day. Sorry, I will throw this away. And actually I gave once before this as a gift to my friend. I think my friend hates me. This is a sample size of quite an expensive night cream from Polar, and this one is a revitalizing cream for the night, again, for your face skin. This one recovers your skin during the night, and I've read that it has some effect because of the moonlight, but it sounds like a fairy tale to me. Then we have Dead Sea Mud Body Wrap from -417, and this one is 100 milliliter. Maybe you think it's a full size, but no, the full size it's half a liter. This one you should put generously on your skin and leave it there for 20 minutes. I have a feeling that this one won't be a nice ritual at home because you will make everything dirty, and I will use this one on the beach. On the beach it will be perfect. You can put it on, have some suntan for 20 minutes and then go to the sea and swim and rinse it off. Then we got this makeup remover from Glove. It costs 13 euros, so quite a lot, and it's a glove which removes your makeup, and it says it's even for the most sensitive types of skin. The way you use it, you just make it wet and then remove your makeup, and you can reuse it again and again. Just don't forget to wash it, of course. I have quite a few similar products. They don't work very good for me, so this one will go as a present. Box number 20, we got a micro peeling from Saeva Body. This one is a night micro peeling and it will restore your skin during the night. Now we are super close to the end, and this one is a BB cream from Garancia. You should put it every morning instead of foundation. This product suits me perfectly because I don't like heavy makeup, and BB cream is perfect. Then we have a sample size of keratin mask from Brave New Hair, and this keratin mask you should put on wet clean hair for 5 minutes and then rinse it off. It should have a recovering, strengthening effect on your skin. And then immediately we go to the next product, which is from Shari, and it's also for your hair. This one is a leave-in treatment, so you should put a very small quantity on your dry clean hair, and don't put it on your roots, just put it on the length of your hair. And this one has anti-frizz effect, so your hair looks very tidy and shiny. I think all of us judge a bit the advent calendar based on the last box or the last door. We expect something big in the last door or something unusual, and it's not always like that. In my experience, the last day of the advent calendars was nothing special from all the other days, but this one is special. I think that this Blissim advent calendar had the best last day box. We received the most expensive product. It's from KVD and it's Alchemist holographic palette. This one costs 25 euro in the store, and it has beautiful 4 shapes of highlighter with a big mirror inside and unusual triangle shape. This palette you can use everywhere on your face to highlight your cheekbones or eyelids, lips, tip of your nose. I also highlight sometimes tip of my chin, and so on and so on. The brand KVD stands for Kat Von D, and this one is made in USA. I've never heard about it here in the Netherlands, but maybe this brand is popular in the USA, and it looks amazing. All in all, quite a good advent calendar, Blissim advent calendar. Its value goes up to 175 euro and it costs 75 euro, and for members even less, 50 or something. If you like the products in this video, you should consider Blissim advent calendar for this year. And for now, have a good day or night.